Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to win at role match. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So improving your performance in role match involves strategic gameplay and effective use of in-game resource. So here are key tips to enhance your experience. Number 1 is prioritize objects. Understand level goals. Before making any moves, carefully read the level's objectives, whether it's clearing specific tiles or achieving a target score. Focus on these goals is essential for success. Second is create and utilize boosters. From boosters, match 4 or more tiles to create powerful boosters like rockets, TNT barrels, propellers, and light bolts. This can significantly aid in clearing challenging sections on the board. Combine boosters. Pairing two boosters can yield even more potent effects. For instance, combining two TNT barrels can cause a massive explosion, clearing a large area. Number 3. Plan moves strategically. Set up combo. Look for opportunities to create consecutive matches, which can lead to chain reactions and more points. Avoid random matching. Making matches without purpose can waste moves. Instead, focus on creating specific boosters or achieving objectives. Number 4. Manage lives and coins. Save coins. Accumulate coins by completing levels and bonus stages. Use them wisely to purchase boosters or extra lives when necessary. Utilize bonus levels. Engaging in daily bonus levels can help you earn additional coins and resources, providing a significant advantage. Number 5. Leverage special events. Participate in events. Keep an eye out for limited time events and challenges. These often offer unique rewards, including boosters and coins, which can be invaluable in tougher levels. By integrating these strategies in your gameplay, you'll enhance your efficiency in role match and progress through levels more effectively. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.